Is that dog?
Hi. I am.
How you doing?
I'm good. My hands are freezing. Sorry.
It's all right.
Hey, okay, let me go get her. Okay. You wanted me to go get her and let meet with her for a little bit?
I'll introduce her.
Okay. I'll be right back.
Thank you. So we just wait? Okay. We're supposed to, we gotta wait for that. Mom, here comes. We gotta wait for the tour. That's kind of cool. Wow, lots of barking. It's a big place, isn't it?
It is.
No, what was it? $10,000. The only dog that cannot bark is a Zinni.
Same with people. Spitting dogs doesn't make them lazy or fat.
Overfeeding and lack.
Same with people.
Yeah. Hey, this is a new member of our family. And this is Sherry.
Hi. I'm your neighbor.
This is Dana.
Oh, you're
Riley, my little black and white dog was at your house.
okay, yes.
You want to hold her? She just had surgery yesterday.
For what?
To be spayed, so she can't have her.
Hey. That's awesome.
Isn't she cute?
What kind of dog is
She is a mixture of several things. She is a Pomeranian Maltipoo. So mom was a Maltipoo, I think Maltese Poodle, and dad was a Pomeranian. So
Well, Sherry and I have been talking. I looked in my thing, and we've got like 27 emails back and forth. So we've been tracking with this for a long time. And Sherry's been so kind to keep her eyes open.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And you live, where do you live?
At 513, like when you turn off of Windtree from North Green Hill, like the first right there.
513 Summit, isn't it? Because it's just right
the
down
fourth
from
house
us,
on the
I think.
left. Yeah.
Yeah, I think, because we can see your house from our house, I think.
Oh, okay.
Because when your son picked up y'all's dog. Yeah, this is a lady that had the dog. Remember the dog that showed up at our door?
My dog,
Yeah.
Riley. He's a mess.
And so that's when we started talking about trying to find something. And she has been so kind in helping us do that.
And these guys came in, and I thought they were perfect. So
Does she have a name?
she has a crazy name right now. She has a boy name, Artemis. I don't know where that came from. So y'all are gonna have to rename her.
Yeah, we will.
You're gonna have to.